Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Maya.
And hello, Maya, and hello to all our listeners. It's so good to be here again today.
It really is, Jack. How are you doing today? I had a big breakfast, so I've got lots of energy.
I'm okay, a little bit hungry actually. I had a very early breakfast, just some toast. Not enough for a long morning of work. But that's good you're energized because we have a very important topic today.
We do. Today, we're talking about a question everyone hears. Tell me about yourself. That's a big one, isn't it?
Oh, that is a big one. I hear that question at parties, at work, and even when I meet new neighbors. It sounds simple, but sometimes it's hard to know what to say in English.
It is. Sometimes my mind just goes blank. So where do we start with this question?
We start with the basics, Maya. Your name and where you live, or where you're from. Simple and clear. Like, my name is Jack, and I live in the city.
That makes sense. After name and place, what's usually next?
Usually, people talk about what they do, their job or their studies. For example, I'm a teacher, or I work in an office. If you're a student, I study engineering, or I'm a high school student.
Right. Keep it simple. No need for big, difficult words. What about sharing hobbies? Is that a good idea?
Absolutely. Talking about your hobbies is a very friendly way to tell people about yourself. It makes people want to ask more questions. Like, if I say I love music, someone might ask what kind of music I play, or if I take guitar lessons, which I do.
That's a great point. It creates a real conversation. And what if someone asks about your family or pets?
That's common too, especially in relaxed settings. You can say, I have a small family, or I have one brother and one sister. And people love talking about pets. If I say I have a very naughty cat, people always laugh.
She likes to jump on the table when you're eating, right? These small details make an introduction feel real. You know, Jack, I think some people are afraid of making a mistake.
I understand that fear, but honestly, most people are just happy to meet you. They're not checking your grammar. Simple English is the best English for beginners. Just be friendly.
Exactly. And remember, a smile is the most important part of an introduction. It tells the other person, I'm happy to talk to you. Even if your English is basic, a smile makes it go well.
It really does. And I also think it's good to have a routine, a few sentences you're comfortable saying. Like, I'm Jack, I'm from this city, I love music, and I work in media. You can practice that in front of a mirror.
That's a great idea. If you practice those few sentences, you won't feel so nervous. Okay, Jack, we've covered a lot. Should we do a quick recap for everyone?
That's a great idea. First, start with the basics, your name and where you're from. Then, talk about your job or studies. No need for big words. Third, mention a hobby or something you like to do in your free time. And finally, don't forget small things like family or pets. And of course, smile.
Perfect summary, Jack. These tips are truly useful for anyone learning English. Telling people about yourself is the first step to making new friends.
It really is. And English is just a tool to help you do that. Well said, Maya.
I think that's all the time we have for today. Before we say goodbye, please subscribe to Mr. English Channel and give us a like if you enjoyed this episode.
And we have a question for you. In the comments, tell us about yourself. Use the tips from today. What's your name? Where are you from? And what do you like to do? We're so excited to read your introductions.
Yes, we will read every single one. Thank you so much for listening today, everyone. Keep practicing and have fun.
Bye for now.